Hello guys, so today we will talking how to clean the leather machine. An easy and fast and very deep clean. First step, we have to make it empty from the soap. So to clean it, we need some tools, very simple. So first one, we need the blower, air blower. And the second thing, we need tiny drive screw. So you can use this, or if you have a tiny brush, that will be better. And we need napkin. That's everything right now. Okay, guys. So now I bring my machine after I make it empty from the soap. What I have to do, I have to flip it like this. After that, I have to pull this nozzle, just put it here. So here we have nozzle, you can see it now. You can see it clear, right? Okay. And here we have hole. What we have to do first, we bring the drive screw, this is the tiny one, and we put it in the hole of the nozzle and just push it. After that, just turn it right, left, right, left. Pull it and do that same thing. Do that 3 times, okay? That's it. Now what we have to do, now we will bring the blower, air blower. Just make it the high level to push better and put it in this hole. After that, just push it. That will make everything go out from this nozzle. Everything stuck inside. You will see it will go outside, okay? And that's it. We don't need the blower anymore. Just clean the nozzle now. So after this, we have to do one thing more. Okay, guys. So now I need hot water. I bring it with me. Just I put it inside. That's enough. And I bring the soap, regular soap, hand soap. And you have to put it 1, 2. That's enough. Just I put it in the plug now. And just I mix it. Now I put the napkin here. And I return the nozzle. And just I push it to see. See now? Let me just put it here. You can wash it better. See, the soap is go out now. What this do? This clean the nozzle more because when I put the drive screw, I just broke all the soap stick inside, and this soap will clean the nozzle. So you can see the soap now. That's enough now. Now I will just make it empty, clean it with water, and I will come back. Okay, guys, now it's empty. I just put the hot water again. That's enough. I put it in the halfway. I don't go full. After that, I bring the liquid shave cream, mix it before you put it, and we just put one scoop and a little bit. That's enough. Now we have to mix it. I just mix it with my finger because I don't want to take time to bring a lot of things. Okay, guys, and now let's see how it's working. I can't cover it because we cover always to keep it clean from the hair. Now when we push it, you can see this. It's fast now. Okay guys, so now our machine is ready. Let's try it. You can see how it's fast and smooth now. It's warm and soft and nice. Okay guys, this is Waleed Barber Academy. Please guys, if you like my video, just subscribe and give me a like for this video to upload more video to teach you about the tools and the haircut. Thanks to all.